CocoCon essential oils. Today we're going to make foot soaks in ornaments. So it's a DIY recipe if you want to make your own aromatherapy products to gift this year for the holidays. So we're going to do, it's like a sore foot soak. I call it Santa's sore foot soak, but you can call it whatever you want. Anyways, this is kind of what it's going to look like in the end. You can put a gift tag on it. These are plastic ornaments that you can get at the dollar store. You get a big thing of them, super cheap. Make sure they're plastic, of course. And then you can decorate them as you like. But it's a very simple recipe. It uses Himalayan pink salts, solo-dried sea salt or just sea salt, and then peppermint and lemongrass essential oils. Peppermint and lemongrass are great anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving essential oils, so it'll take the swelling out of the feet and that sore feet feeling, that pain out. So what you're going to need is a bowl, mixing bowl, a funnel for getting the final batch into the ornaments, the sea salt, Himalayan pink salts. I like the Coarse for the Himalayan pink salts. It just looks prettier in the ornament. Baking soda, peppermint and lemongrass essential oil, and then you'll need a measuring cup, a tablespoon, and just a spoon for stirring. So the first step is we're going to do half a cup of sea salt. Now this batch that I'm making right now just makes 2 ornaments, so double, triple, depending on how many ornaments you want to make. So we're going to start with our half a cup of sea salt, and you want the fine sea salt. Next, we will add half a cup of Himalayan pink salts. We sell this Himalayan pink salt on the website on cococon.com, or of course you may already have some in the pantry. So this is a half a cup as well, and this is what they call the coarse grain, or the kind you can put in a salt grinder. All right, and next we're going to do 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And it's just about, it doesn't have to be an exact measurement like if you're baking or something. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. And then last but not least, we're going to add our essential oils, and it's 60 drops of peppermint and 60 drops of lemongrass. So bear with me on this part here. It smells so good too. Peppermint is energizing, invigorating, uplifting. Okay, and I think that's about 60. I'm kind of speed it up a little bit so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me count 60 drops. And this is lemongrass, and lemongrass and peppermint are really nice together. You can also do like peppermint and lavender. Lavender is also an anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving oil. Or you could do peppermint, lemongrass, and lavender. It's just, a total of 120 drops for this batch size. And another thing you can do is there's plastic pipettes that you can use if you don't want to count out this many drops, especially if you're making a big batch. They usually measure out in 1, 2, and 3 milliliters. And 1 milliliter is about 20 drops of oil. So for this recipe, you do like 3 milliliters. They're little plastic pipettes. You can get them like on Amazon. Okay, that's about 60 there. Oh my God, it smells so good. And then you're just gonna stir it all together. You'll see your oils, I kind of mash it in to get that baking soda to mix in and all the oils to mix in well. These are so easy, a lot of fun to make. And it's so nice to give a gift that you made, it has so much personal value and people really appreciate stuff like that. So. Okay, and then our last step is going to be to put them in the plastic ornaments, and the tops just come off. Be careful, they're a little fragile, so you don't bend them all up and everything. And then my funnel's a little big. You might want to go for another size down. So I just hold mine on top here. And then you can either like pour it in and use a spoon and scoop it in if that's easier for you. And just give it a little shake to get it into the ornament. Just about there. There we go. Okay, and then you put your top on. And you can decorate it with ribbon, get a little gift tag. We have these ornaments here on the website as well. They're essential oil ornaments that you put the oils on the back. You could tie a ribbon on there and tie that around too. That would be really pretty. We got stickers and little gems here that you can get. The stickers are from the dollar store. The gems I think we got on Amazon. You can use bells, you know, all kinds of fun things. Just get really creative. So that is my video today on how to make your own ornament, peppermint, and lemongrass foot soaks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're having a good holiday season so far.